Our other top story tonight, a woman in her late 70s is in police custody after taking a dispute with her neighbor to a violent level.
This all happened late this afternoon on Indiana at Santa Clara on Detroit's west side, and when the smoke cleared, the woman's 70-year-old neighbor had been shot. Sean Lay is there right now, and Sean, this was over a blade of grass.
Blade of grass and a brick. Tempers running hot. Come closer. I'll show you how all this went down. You can see the guys at this house here doing all sorts of landscaping, beautifying here. But the woman who lives next door says, look, this is her property. She says the guys were infringing on her lawn. So these two got into it. She went inside her house and grabbed a gun.
At one point, she actually pointed the gun at his head.
Chip Heathington saw it all and still can't believe it.
I'm like begging her to stop.
He's doing landscaping on the home of his 70-year-old friend. He's in the hospital right now after his neighbor in her late 70s shot him in his foot. Neighbors say the woman was furious, thinking their landscape work was eating into her beloved lawn.
She went in the house, which I thought she was done, came back out with her revolver, and decided that she was going to take it to another level.
That's when Chip and the others dropped their tools and heard a shot.
At this age, I haven't ran that fast in quite a long time.
Others say the man pushed the woman before that shot was fired. Detroit police now looking for security camera video to tell the whole story.
Like I said, it's a miracle that he only got shot in the foot, and another miracle that I didn't get shot. She wasn't listening to anything.
Back here live, how serious is this woman about her lawn? Take a look. She set up these wire fencing here on the easement so people can't park here, open their doors, and then step on the easement part of the lawn. Also, the man who got shot just got home a short time ago. Take a look. We have video of him. He says the bullet went through his heel, in and out. He's going to be okay, but he certainly wants to press charges. Live on the west side, Sean Lay, Local 4.
All right, thank you, Sean.